In this video, we'll walk through 5 steps to ensure a successful migration from PRTG to WhatsUp Gold. We'll highlight key differences and benefits and explain why IT teams are making the switch. Start by configuring the credentials for the network devices you want to monitor. This ensures that you collect the most accurate information when WhatsUp Gold scans your network. Begin by gathering all the credentials used in PRTG for device access, especially your SNMP, WMI, and API credentials. This might be challenging because in PRTG, credentials are inherited from groups and can be overridden. The good news is, WhatsUp Gold uses a centralized credential library, which makes it easy to store and update your device credentials. You'll find this library under Settings, Libraries, Credentials. Click the plus icon, select a credential type, and fill out the required information. Repeat this process for each type of device credential that you need. After your credentials are set up, it's time to discover your network. We recommend that you begin your discovery scan with a list of IP addresses. For a smaller network, you can try using the PRTG user interface to export or copy-paste your IP addresses. But for larger environments, we recommend using the WhatsUp Gold PowerShell module to gather the list of IP addresses from PRTG and pass them to your WhatsUp Gold server. Then in WhatsUp Gold, open the Discovery Wizard under Discover New Scan. Paste the IP addresses into the top field on the Start panel. Notice on the Credentials panel that the scan will utilize all current credentials that you entered in the library, which are shown in a list. Then open the Review and Run panel and click Run. The Discovery Scan uses Layer 2 and 3 data to automatically identify your devices and create a basic topology map. It also determines the best fitting device template for each device, such as router, printer, or Windows Server. Device templates are easily customizable to fit different scenarios. The discovered network is like a staging area where you can view the basic device information and connectivity as determined from the credentials you added in Step 1. This network view is available with no impact on your licensing. From here, you choose which devices to add to your monitored network, which does count against your license. WhatsUp Gold's device-based licensing is straightforward and easy to understand and scale. At this point, the full device information becomes available on the My Network page. The device template determines which types of monitors are assigned to each device by default. Monitors are similar to PRTG sensors, as they track the condition, state, and performance of devices on your network. The My Network page provides a comprehensive, interactive topology map of your entire network. Devices are categorized into groups, which also include automated maps, but you have the ability to create an additional custom map. Devices can be members of as many groups as you'd like without license implications. These maps make it easy to validate coverage and identify gaps, unlike PRTG's sensor-based approach. Next, you are ready to recreate your notifications and actions. You will map your PRTG sensor notification triggers to 2 libraries within WhatsUp Gold. Recreate your availability triggers in the Actions and Policies library to invoke an action or send a message when a device changes state, like from an up state to a down state. Recreate your performance triggers in the Alert Center libraries to send a notification when a performance metric on a device exceeds a specific threshold. Configure escalation policies and multi-channel notifications using platforms like email, SMS, Teams, and Slack. Leverage WhatsUp Gold's extensive action library to set up automated remediation tasks using built-in action types such as SSH, PowerShell, Service Restart, Script, and more. Now let's talk about reporting and dashboards. WhatsUp Gold offers out-of-the-box dashboards that are completely customizable. Each report within WhatsUp Gold, including dashboards, can be easily exported to various file formats. Reports can also be scheduled and emailed using the modern, secure OAuth 2.0 framework for compliance, audits, and daily or weekly updates. You can rebuild key PRTG magic maps using WhatsUp Gold's dashboards, device group map views, and out-of-the-box full-page reports available instantly. You can create customized role-based dashboards to help IT teams focus on the infrastructure problems that require the most immediate attention. Use the Knock Viewer feature to display a large screen scrolling WhatsUp Gold information, which is again highly customizable, so your IT admins and executives can easily see how well your network is performing. After your migration, perform a gap analysis to confirm that all critical devices and services are monitored. WhatsUp Gold's device-based licensing ensures that you're consuming a license only when you choose to monitor a given device. On these devices, the license allows you to monitor as many aspects or channels as you desire. This is often more cost-efficient and easier to understand and scale compared to PRTG's sensor-based model. Although WhatsUp Gold has a vast library of pre-built monitors, you can create custom monitors to recreate any missing sensors. Likewise, you may need to compare notifications and make additions or adjustments to cover any gaps. If you have questions, consult our documentation at docs.progress.com or visit the WhatsUp Gold community portal. Here you can engage with other users to ask questions and get ideas of how you might implement even more of WhatsUp Gold's functionality. Thank you for watching this video on migrating from the PRTG platform to WhatsUp Gold.